The amzn Elfin Mini Projector is a powerful and compact solution for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. This ultra-compact device supports 1080p resolution with 4K input, ensuring crisp and clear visuals whether you're watching movies, gaming, or giving presentations. The projector's 600 ISO lumens provide bright and vivid images, even in well-lit rooms, while the HDR10 technology enhances color and contrast for a more immersive viewing experience. Every second on the road demands attention, and now there's a tool that sharpens your awareness without weighing you down. Weighing just 1.4 ounces, these ultralight CyberSight HUD glasses transform how you experience every drive, ride, or run. Designed with an integrated road safety system, they provide timely body alerts and real-time navigation guidance, all projected clearly into your line of sight. The heads-up display eliminates the need to glance down at phones or maps, helping you stay focused where it matters most. Dusk redefines the iconic Wayfarer sunglasses, blending timeless style with cutting-edge technology for a modern, functional experience. These sunglasses bring more than just protection from the sun, featuring electrochromic lenses that allow you to adjust the tint to your exact preference instantly. Whether you're basking in bright sunlight or moving indoors, you have full control, eliminating the need for traditional reactive lenses. Designed with convenience in mind, the Dusk sunglasses integrate seamlessly with your lifestyle. The Logitech Casa pop-up desk brings a fresh, flexible approach to home workspace design. Perfect for those who need a portable, ergonomic solution, this foldable desk adapts to your lifestyle. With its easy setup, you can work comfortably anywhere in your home, whether on a high countertop, the dining table, or a cozy corner bathed in sunlight. Once the workday is over, simply fold it away and reclaim your space. Engineered to improve your posture, the Casa pop-up desk includes a unique book-like case that unfolds into an ergonomic laptop stand. Built for those who demand more than just head protection, this next-generation helmet redefines what it means to ride smart. With cutting-edge tech woven into its carbon fiber shell, it delivers uncompromising strength and seamless connectivity. Whether carving back roads or commuting downtown, this helmet becomes your command center. It features a Bluetooth intercom for rider-to-rider communication within a limited range and a walkie-talkie via app that works across any distance with cellular connection. From online meetings to high-quality streaming, camera placement determines your professional presence. The amzn.to offers a seamless solution, securely mounting your USB-C webcam anywhere along your monitor without damaging your screen. Built with a precision-engineered magnetic system, this mount balances strength and safety, anchoring to screens up to 0.75 inches thick without leaving marks or pressure dents. Unlike clunky mounts or adhesive solutions, the amzn.to delivers a clean, floating look with total flexibility. Breathe new purpose into outdated iPads with iFrameX, a seamless way to transform idle tech into useful home displays. Whether it's showcasing cherished memories, tracking local weather, or serving as a sleek digital clock, iFrameX unlocks practical value from old devices while cutting down on unnecessary e-waste. iFrameX combines an intuitive app with a custom charging module so your iPad stays powered around the clock without cluttered cables. Carrying just what you need has never been this effortless. The Hyodo MagSafe swappable wallet redefines everyday convenience with its mindfully slim, precision-crafted form. Designed with sustainability at its core, this wallet ensures your essentials are always secure without unnecessary bulk. Thanks to its MagSafe compatibility, the Hyodo wallet connects seamlessly to your iPhone, offering a flawless snap every time. Tucked neatly in a corner or rolled into place with ease, this compact top-load washing machine redefines efficiency in small living spaces. Whether you're in a tight apartment, an RV, or a dorm, it's built for adaptability without sacrificing performance. Measuring just 18.1 inches wide, 17.7 inches deep, and 31.5 inches tall, this washer fits where others can't. Yet it still packs a punch. Equipped with 5 wash programs, heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, and 3 water level settings, it lets you control every cycle from start to finish. Venturing off the beaten path should be exhilarating, not exhausting. Whether you're hiking steep ridgelines, traversing rocky forest trails, or powering through extended excursions, physical strain can limit the full potential of any adventure. That's where the Densi's X1 steps in, not just as an exosuit, but as a seamless extension of your strength and endurance. With a 1.2 horsepower output, this wearable powerhouse brings smooth, secure assistance for every motion. The Palma 2 stands out with its sleek design and impressive features that cater to a modern user's needs. Equipped with a 6.13-inch HD Carta 1200 glass screen, this device ensures clear and sharp visuals with a resolution of 824 by 1648 and 300 ppi for an exceptional reading experience. The flat cover lens adds a premium touch, protecting the screen without compromising clarity. Inspired by military radios and built with precision, the Trosk RetroTalk Power Bank blends iconic retro aesthetics with next-gen charging power. Don't be fooled by its vintage exterior. Inside, it's a beast. Packing a 20,000 mAh capacity, this unit delivers up to 170 watts total output across 3 ports, supporting the latest PD 3.1 fast charging protocols. Bring the pulse of the financial world right to your desk with a dynamic display that echoes the charm of vintage trading floors. The ticker meter isn't just decor, it's a real-time window into your stock portfolio, cryptocurrencies, and forex pairs. Crafted for both home and office, this physical stock ticker leverages e-paper technology, providing a crisp, paper-like display that's visible under any lighting conditions while using minimal power. Customize each ticker to stream your favorite tickers with up-to-the-minute accuracy. Life rarely slows down, and managing your health shouldn't fall behind. Skipped medication isn't just a small oversight. It leads to worsened conditions, reduced treatment success, higher medical bills, and added stress. DeFi transforms any standard pill bottle into a powerful AI-assisted system. With LED and sound reminders, smartphone alerts, and even in-app phone calls, you're covered whether you're at home or on the go. Open the bottle within a minute of the scheduled time, and DeFi logs your dose automatically. A keyboard shouldn't just be functional, it should elevate how you work and play. The Melgeek Modern 97 delivers precisely that, with a fusion of speed, customization, and style in one compact machine. Its sleek, see-through body and refined 97-key layout give you full functionality in a tight footprint, all while maintaining the vital arrow keys. A screw-free one-piece build keeps the frame solid yet elegant. Step into a new age of intuitive robotics where human-like interaction meets intelligent design. This advanced personal companion isn't just a machine, it's an experience. Powered by ChatGPT integration, it engages in natural conversation, offering everything from thoughtful responses to jokes with timing and tone that mirror a human. Its biomimetic behavior system allows it to move with lifelike fluidity, reacting to voice, touch, and motion cues with striking realism. For those seeking convenience and power on the go, the Baseus Magnetic Power Bank 10,000 mAh is an excellent solution. This compact yet robust battery pack delivers up to 7.5 watts of fast wireless charging, making it a perfect companion for iPhone 12 to 16 series models. Thanks to its magnetic design, it effortlessly attaches to the back of your iPhone, providing a seamless charging experience without the need for buttons or complicated setups. Slip into a zone of pure precision where every footstep, reload, and whisper is amplified for the win. This is what the amzn Buds bring to your gaming arsenal. Built in collaboration with Fnatic, one of the top esports organizations, these wireless gaming earbuds are crafted for peak competition. Game all day with an impressive 12 hours on a single charge, or stretch to 48 hours using the charging case powered by LE Audio. In the chaos of travel or a spontaneous moment outdoors, having a reliable tripod you can trust isn't always guaranteed, unless you've got the YogaPod. Built to be flat, durable, and astonishingly compact, the YogaPod is a refreshing reimagining of the mini tripod. Its precision-machined body tucks neatly into a bag or even a jacket pocket, ready whenever the moment calls. What makes it different? It can hold your camera vertically without needing a bulky ball head. The Nikasa Kitchen Composter is designed to streamline the composting process with convenience and efficiency. Featuring a 12-liter capacity, it can handle up to 3.5 pounds of waste per day, allowing you to go over 10 days without the need for waste disposal. The result is more than 7.5 pounds of nutrient-rich organic fertilizer, which can support sustainable gardening or lawn care. What sets this composter apart is its ability to complete the composting process in just 48 hours. The Ruvati Dual Tier Pro 33-inch rounded corner workstation sink is an exceptional addition to modern kitchens, combining practicality with sleek design. This two-tiered undermount sink is crafted from 16-gauge stainless steel, providing superior durability and resistance to wear. Its rounded corners add a sophisticated touch, allowing for easy cleaning while maintaining a refined look. The dual-tier system enhances functionality by offering versatile spaces for both preparation and cleaning, ensuring an organized workflow. Packing for your trip doesn't have to be a hassle. Enter the Volek EasyY Organizer Set. Designed to eliminate the stress from your packing routine, you can compress your items up to 85%, making it possible to carry more with less. The Volek EasyY set is built for durability, using 70D nylon fabric that withstands wear and tear. With an upgraded turbo boost airflow system that provides a massive 200 liters per minute, packing is completed in a flash, saving you valuable time. Bring refinement to the wild with the Dukin Loft Penthouse, designed to transform any campsite or backyard into a stylish retreat. This rooftop tent isn't just gear. It's an upgrade. Elevate your outdoor experience with a sleek aluminum shell that opens in seconds. The interior boasts 7 feet of length and nearly 4.3 feet of headroom, offering ample space for 2 adults to stretch, relax, and rest. Breathable mesh windows and dual skylights invite cross breezes and stargazing. The Getter X smart glasses combine cutting-edge technology with convenience, delivering a truly hands-free experience. Designed for those who are always on the move, these glasses allow users to access apps, translate languages, and manage daily tasks seamlessly. With direct app downloads, you can quickly install your favorite applications directly onto the glasses, reducing the need for a smartphone. Featuring real-time translation, the Getter X smart glasses are ideal for travelers and professionals in global environments. Introducing the UNG Self-Powered Purifying Shower Head, a revolutionary innovation in personal care. This advanced shower head eliminates the need for filters, harnessing the natural flow of water to purify it with every use. Experience cleaner and smoother water that not only improves the quality of your shower, but also benefits your hair and skin. The UNG showerhead's water-saving technology ensures efficient usage, reducing waste while maintaining optimal performance. The Samsung NZ6 900TM integrates innovation and style with a cooktop that enhances both performance and design. Offering a powerful 575M32H ventilation system, this hob captures cooking vapors and odors swiftly, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh without the need for a separate hood. This clever design allows for flexible installation, even on an island table, while keeping the air clean and crisp. In a world where communication barriers crumble and creativity flows freely, the Monoease PG2 stands as a revolution in your ears. These aren't just earbuds, they're a portable intelligence hub packed into a sleek, ergonomic design. Built with cutting-edge GPT-4o and DeepSeek R1 AI engines, the Monoease PG2 transforms your listening and speaking experience across borders and platforms. Every key press tells a story, and with the Lunar 01, each stroke becomes a step into uncharted worlds. This mechanical keyboard doesn't just sit on your desk, it launches your imagination into orbit. Inspired by the timeless magic of childhood tales and built with cutting-edge design, the Lunar 01 captures the wonder of exploration with the feel of precision engineering. Designed with an innovative gasket mount structure, the Lunar 01 offers enhanced flexibility and acoustics. Elevate your drinking experience with this striking stone drink dispenser, where nature's raw elegance meets functional design. Crafted from durable, cobbled granite, this unique bar accessory not only offers practicality but also stands as a conversation piece. The smooth, rugged exterior of the stone is paired with a stainless steel tap, making pouring wine or spirits seamless and sophisticated. Shaped with intent and engineered for precision, the amzn.to stands as a striking evolution in modern folding knife design. World-renowned knife maker Ken Onion took inspiration from the sharp, geometric style of the Olight Arcfeld flashlight, trading soft curves for purposeful, linear architecture. The result is a bold, industrial statement piece that slices through tradition just as cleanly as it does materials. Every angle of the Zenol reflects thoughtful design, from the machined aluminum handle to the smooth, assisted flipper action. Engineered for efficiency in the most demanding environments, the tough-built StackTech drawer toolboxes redefine professional-grade tool storage. The StackTech 1-drawer and 3-drawer toolboxes introduce a new tier of accessibility, featuring a seamless, self-aligning stacking system and an auto-locking interface for true one-handed use. The innovative single-point slide switch allows for fast, secure operation, ideal for fast-paced job sites where every second counts. The Nikoko 9-in-1 flashlight is the ultimate multi-tool for those who demand versatility and reliability. With a powerful 2,000 lumen tactical flashlight, this compact device illuminates even the darkest environments, ensuring you stay prepared for any situation. The built-in green laser can reach an impressive 2,000 meters, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or signaling in emergency situations. The Brevoy espresso maker offers an innovative solution for coffee lovers on the go. This portable espresso machine is designed to brew both ground coffee and capsules, allowing for versatile brewing options. With a robust 20-bar pressure system, it extracts rich, full-bodied espresso, mimicking the experience of a traditional espresso machine. Whether you prefer your coffee from capsules or freshly ground beans, this device accommodates both seamlessly.